Ever wanted to be a DJ, but don't have the equipment? Today, we're turning your TinkerBlock into a professional DJ controller that will make your friends think you're a lighting wizard. Let me show you what we're building today. This isn't just another LED project. This is a full-blown interactive light show controller. We've got a WS2812 LED strip that can display millions of colors, a potentiometer for mixing the brightness like a volume knob, and a button that drops new color beats on demand. Here's the magic in action. Watch this. I press the button, and boom, we get a completely random color. Every press is like dropping a new track. Now, check out the potentiometer. Turn it clockwise and the lights get brighter. Turn it counterclockwise and they dim. It's just like mixing the volume levels on a real DJ setup. The secret sauce behind this magic is the FastLED library. This powerful library handles all the complex timing and color calculations for us, making it super easy to create professional-looking effects. We're also using analog mapping to convert our potentiometer's 0 to 1023 range into a clean 0 to 100% brightness scale. Here's what makes this project perfect for beginners. It teaches you real-world TinkerBlock concepts like digital input with debouncing, analog input processing, and library integration. But it's also powerful enough for advanced users who want to create complex lighting installations. Imagine the possibilities: mood lighting for your room, party effects for events, interactive art installations, or even home automation systems. This DJ controller can be the foundation for so many amazing projects. The wiring is super simple too. Just connect the LED strip to pin D5, the potentiometer to analog pin A3, and the button to digital pin D3. Power everything with 5V and ground, and you're ready to rock. From creating the perfect study atmosphere to throwing the ultimate party, this DJ controller gives you complete control over your lighting environment. The code is clean, well commented, and ready for your next project. Hit subscribe for more TinkerBlock magic, drop a comment with your favorite color combination, and let's make some noise together. Remember, the best DJs aren't just playing music, they're creating experiences. And with this TinkerBlock controller, you're doing exactly that with light.